I'm Damien Roy, and welcome on my guitar lesson YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn how to play 6 Hendrix double stop licks. So Jimi Hendrix was very popular with, for example, his song Little Wing, using the double stop, and we kind of call them the Hendrix double stops. C. Ray Vaughan was also very inspired after doing that. So how does it work here? We're going to take the example on the A major chord. So here I'm going on fret 5 here, and I'm working following my bar chord. So doing it just like this here. So of course you could be playing here just like Jimi Hendrix, using the thumb here, bar. But if you're not comfortable, you can just do the big bar chord, okay? Or just like that. So following that chord here, we'll be following some of the notes that are right here. Also, we'll be following this major pentatonic position here for using what we call the double stops. Okay, so we're kind of playing with 2 notes at the same time, using either slide techniques, hammer-ons, pull-offs, and there's a lot to do also in the rhythm. So this could be useful if you, instead of playing a random rhythm here, if you're playing, is adding all those little it gives a different color there when you're playing. Especially, you can use that also on the acoustic guitar. So let's go on the first lick here for this Hendrix double stop lesson. So here we're going to be doing a slide here on fret 5. Okay, so from 5 to 7. So with the chord here. So after the rhythm is just the way how you want to make it sound. So that's your choice, that's your interpretation. Okay, you got this one here, that's an easy one. Let's start with the second one here. So we're going to be sliding here from fret 4 and 5 to fret 6 and 7. All that on strings 3 and 2. Also hear these kinds of licks in Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd. Okay, you got lick number 2. That's great. Let's have a look now on lick number 3. So sometimes some of the notes are also part of other scales here. Your ears are always going to have the last word on how it sounds, if it sounds right or not. So here I'm going to be doing a hammer-on. We are doing what we call the appoggiatura, which is a quick movement here that we don't really count in time or on the time. So it comes right on the time. The next one after is the pull-off here. So to master your pull-off here, you have to keep your little bar here with your pointer on string 1 and 2 on fret 5. Okay, so. Good. Let's go on lick number 3 now. So here we're still on the 2 first strings, but I'm going to do the hammer-on string 2. So always make sure that you hear the 2 strings at the same time. That's what makes the power of the Hendrix double stops here. Okay, with the hammer-on, and now with the pull-off. So here it's much more difficult to do. So your pull-off, you're going to kind of take it off like this. Interesting to work on. Great. Let's go on lick number 4 now. So still on the A major chord. Okay, we'll see at the end how to use a minor chord for that. So here, this is a really good one here. So I'm doing that little bar still on 5. See, I'm following the A major chord. And see how I'm resolving on the root here. So practice this one a lot. That one will be really useful for playing. Okay, so now let's go on the last lick here, lick number 6, and work on the minor relative scale of A, which is going to be F sharp here. Okay, so here I'm using part of the F sharp minor pentatonic scale. So you can apply that on E if you want. But I thought it would be more interesting to do something a little bit different than E minor. So here in F sharp here. Okay, so you have all those licks here. So just mix them up. And for example, just try to work on a couple of easy chords that you could play on the top of the neck here, or you could be following the bar chords here. You could be moving on. If you're doing your C, for example. C here, sorry, I went on D. If I go on D, see, that works on really well here. Okay, so I hope that you enjoy this new video lesson here. Please don't forget to subscribe to my guitar lesson YouTube channel, and see you for our next video.